My name's Dante with Paths to Math. Let's test your knowledge on solving for x. This one is a pretty tough one. I can't stand the fractions. Let's eliminate those fractions. We're going to use a technique that I love to use where we multiply the entire equation by the LCD. The LCD, least common denominator, is 21. 7 goes into 21 and 3 goes into 21. So we're going to multiply the entire equation by 21. When we do this, we're going to simplify the 21 with the 7 and then 21 with the 3. Check this out. Don't forget the right hand side is going to be 21 times 1, so it's equal to 21. My equation is now equal to 21, not 1. Alright, like I said, we can simplify the 21 and 7. Instead of multiplying the 21 to the numerator, which a lot of students do, and that's okay, that's correct, that's an okay step to do. Instead of multiplying to the top, we could divide by 7 first. So we have 3 times 1/2 x minus 4. And now there's no more fraction. Over here, we have 21 times x over 3. That's just going to become 7 times x, because 21 divided by 3 is 7. Very helpful tip for doing this more difficult algebra. Now we have to distribute the 3. We have 3/2 x minus 12 minus 7x equals 21. Don't get frustrated. We have another fraction here. We can eliminate that again using the LCD. We can multiply this entire equation by 2. So we have 3x minus 24 minus 14x equals 42. You see the 2 multiplied to every single term. At this point, I can combine like terms and then solve for x. Let's combine like terms. We have negative 24 minus 11x equals 42. I can add 24 to both sides. Now we have negative 11x equals 66. So when we divide both sides by negative 11, we get x equals negative 6. And you know what we got to do next? We got to check our work. We can check our work by plugging it in to the original equation. So we have 1/2 times negative 6 minus 4 over 7 minus a negative 6 over 3 equals 1. I know it's hard to believe that all of this simplifies to 1, but let's just take things one at a time. Let's focus on this numerator. We have the negative 6 times a 1/2. That could be represented as negative 6 over 2. You see, when you have a number out in front, you are allowed to multiply it to the numerator. And so that's how we get negative 6 over 2. That, I know, is going to be negative 3. So we have negative 3 minus 4 over 7. Then we have a negative 2, because this fraction, negative 6 over 3, simplifies to negative 2. So we're going to have to rewrite this one more time. We have negative 7 over 7 plus 2 equals 1. Negative 7 over 7 is negative 1. And then when we combine these, we get 1 equals 1. And sure enough, x does equal negative 6. Great job, guys.